Why the bezel so thick on my iPhone? And the fingerprint takes forever to work. I think it's time for me to buy a new phone now. iPhone 12 Pro is a nice phone, I guess, so let me quickly check its price. So I quickly need to go to the Apple website and then iPhone 12 Pro. What? $999? That's so much, and it doesn't even include a charger inside the box. But what if I make an iPhone 12 Pro from cardboard? Maybe I can. I'll make an iPhone 12 Pro from cardboard then. All I needed to make this iPhone is some cardboard, a pair of scissors, double-sided tape, crafting knife, tape, ruler, glue. So first we need to cut this template. Once you have cut this, you need to stick it onto the cardboard. I need to make 2 more of these, or you probably need to make more depending on the thickness of your cardboard. The thickness of the iPhone needs to be close to 7.4 millimeters. Cover these 2 lines with clear sellotape. Turn the paper over, and now you need to stick double-sided tape over here. And now we need to cut these strips. Once you are done cutting the strips, take one strip and peel the double-sided tape out just like this, and then put it on the iPhone just like this, and then gently press it down just so that it sticks to the sides of the iPhone. And then do the same for the other strip as well. Cut off the extra bit and then gently press it down to the sides again. A pair of scissors, and then make small cuts here, and then just stick them onto the iPhone just like this. And then do the same for all the sides. Now you can cut these 2 templates, and now stick these 2 templates onto your iPhone using glue. Here's how the iPhone looks. It's not ready yet because we need to make buttons. And now cover these parts with sellotape. So these parts that have these lines, you need to fold them. So now we need to cut these parts and then stick them onto the iPhone. iPhone is now ready. Hello everyone, this is our iPhone 12 Pro 2nd generation. This is the best iPhone we've ever made yet. The fastest, the most powerful, the strongest. It has better drop protection than the last version. It has a new display, which looks magnificent, with 1 billion more pixels. And the charger isn't included. And also the wire isn't included. All you get is a phone, you're saving the environment, and it starts at $2,000. Thank you.